fresh thyme, put it in your cup, and just whoa. It come like a seasoned water. Me nah like it come like me just want piece of meat bone. If you put in a this, if you make a brat. Because all in my mind, it'll give me soup vibes. You know when soup almost done cook and you put it scallion and thyme in it and just make it go and simmer down for a little 10 minutes. At that it'll get me put the sugar in and see that makes a difference. Hold on. Me da look for sugar the other day for go up on the coconut jelly meat. If them sugar ya big me. I think I'm gonna take this out before my sweeten it because I don't want to leave them go drop off. Oh wow, big difference. It come like when you put sugar in a soup. Voila, my brain. Look, the thyme flavor it is very strong. You understand? So my brain wrap around like it'll give me seasoned tea, like seasoned brat. So this coming like you know when you make soup without meat. And you season the water. Probably me need to put like scallion in it and see. Look a pimento seed. I don't know. Anyway, they say have a lot of benefits. I'm sure it will grow on me afterwards. It make me feel calm though. I feel calm. It calm me. It calm me.